task we had to go from bubble to here, and we are almost there. 150 jumps. I just like to share where I reached so far. We reached the Cat Paw Nebula, basically. 2 jumps away. Almost there. Switch to PC game. Okay, there it is. So if you can see it, we are here almost. So 3 jumps away, but you can't see the nebula from here. I'm gonna go within the nebula, just see it for a little bit, and then see the nearest station to rest and repair the ship. It's a long journey. 150 jumps, and I think it goes toward exploration, but there's some kind of good benefit out of it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's see how it goes. So what I'm doing is just stopping by each star, refuel. Some systems I had to go look to a planet, maybe 1 or 2 planets, and that's it. Some systems I just tried to use the discovery, the discovery scan. What's it called? FSS. Called FSS. So what do? You go to scan mode. After you go to scan mode, you reduce your throttle, and then you engage the FSS scanner. And you can see the nebula actually from here on the screen. It's actually only one body, which is the sun of the system. That's what's in here. Only this. There's no other planets or asteroid belts or anything. So in this case, just exit. 2 jumps, and we are there.
Frameshift drive charging.
Ship so far is good in terms of modules. We'll check it on the next jump. There's a couple damage, just 2 or 3% damage, which is not bad. And I think it's because of the long journey. And the heat from refueling. We had to refuel each time we go to a system. There it is. I mean, it shows now. You can see the nebula from here. Let's just step away from the rays of the sun, of this star. And let's go to 3D cam. You can see it. It's a nice sight. So we're just gonna go within the nebula. Now I'm thinking, how am I gonna get back to bubble? Let me show you how far I am. And we are here in the nebula. We reached it. That's the goal. So we are far from home. 150 jumps away. That's the Maya system. My ships mostly are here. And Diagwandry. See, this is my starting point. and my endpoint is over there. So you can see the distance of this thing. Okay. So one more jump and we are inside the nebula, basically. In sector HRWD131. We're actually within the nebula, actually. I mean,
4, 3, 2, 1.
the last one. Yeah, we were in EBXC1-2. And you gotta go to another sector of it. Wow. And we are here.
Fuel scoping. Fuel scooping complete.
And I think it's just planets and that's it. There's nothing. No population or remote system or remote station or anything like that. And just go ahead toward that nebula. Well, we are inside of it. Cat Paw Nebula. There are a lot of planets in here. Seems. Check the navigation panel. How many planets in this sector of the nebula? Well, let's just discover them. Lose throttle. Engage FSS. 38 bodies. It's gonna be a while. Gonna be a while. Well, there's a lot of planets in here. Now I need to go to the nearest station. Well, the goal is to unlock Jameson Memorial. In order to unlock Jameson Memorial, you need to be elite in one in either trading, combat, or exploration. So hopefully this distance helps. Things here. Okay. Many orbits in this system. A lot of orbits. Oh, still more. Any more planets or bodies around? Oh. Oh, here. Keep in mind that probably a lot of people reached here before me, a long time ago. So people who love exploration. What do we got here? Got here first. Oh, and to an end. No. Okay. Still plenty more. A lot of planets look like Saturn, basically. Saturn planets. We need to be right on top of it. How many left? 5 left. Oh, here. Does he need to do 3 or 5 levels of zone?
System scan complete.
System scan complete. So this whole system has been scanned, so now you can go to your system map and you can check. Like who discovered it first and who mapped it. So you can go actually and map the planet. It seems like everybody mapped. It's been mapped and discovered. It's a big system. Now the question is, where's the next closest station to here? And that's the nebula. Cat Paw Nebula. Are you chieftain? Cat Paw Nebula. Doesn't look like a cat paw though. Does it? So the real one, let me just show you the real one. Now, according to Frontier, this is a one-to-one galaxy, all right? So I'm guessing they did it really well here. I'm not sure how accurate is this, but I search on the web, and let me see the real one. That's the real one here. NGC 6334. Let me show you what I'm seeing. There it is, NGC 6334. In the Mission Nebula, the stars forming region located in the constellation Scorpius. Cat Paw Nebula. GOM 64. So this is the most closest to the game, I think, this image. Nice. It's kind of interesting to see something that is reflects real life in a way, but because we don't have the abilities to jump from system to system, probably can use only telescopes, and I don't know how they discover these things. Cat Paw Nebula lies inside the Milky Way galaxy, located in the constellation Scorpius. So how they discover it, I don't know how they discovered by the astronomer John Herschel in 1830. Oh, in 1837, who observed it from Cape of Good Hope. Well, he observed it from South Africa. But how did they get those pictures? Telescope, VTL. Oh, now they can see those. Very large telescope. Okay. Interesting, right? Quite interesting. Let's go back to game. Now I'll try to figure out how am I gonna go back. It's a long distance. Very, very long distance. Okay, let's see. Need to go to eddb.io. And we need to go for station. And we need to see the closest. The reference system is. What are we? What's the name of the system that we are in? We are in Cat Paw sector HRW D131. Okay. Cat Paw sector to write the whole thing. Cat Paw sector HW dash D. No, not dash D. What is it? HR dash W. HR dash W D1 dash 31. Okay, so that's, and we need to find station. There is a station in this system. Is there? 6.41 light years. Oh, it's a fleet carrier. Well, that's a people. That's a private. Right station, but we do need to make sure it's another. So Lagoon 10 light years away. Need to go to Lagoon. Lagoon sector N1 B1 feed. There's a planetary station in there, independent. That's good. We need to go repair. Let's plug in this into the game and see. Okay. So okay, where's that? Oh, how far is that? Or should we aim for bubble? This is also far. Like how many jumps? Oh. Okay. System map. Yeah, the station is in here. This is it. So how many jumps is this? Not showing how many jumps? Should show a number of jumps. Can't see it. Anyway, let's exit this. $57 jumps. Oh, there are stations in here. Well, no, not stations. Just saying there are landable planets. There's no station in here at all. Yeah, there's no population on this system. Well, 50, 150, so it's kind of like something to think about. Should we do a 50? Or should we do 150? That's it, one shot. Let's go back. And let's go see. I want to go to Diaguandry. Oh. Yes. Fastest route. Economical, no, I want the fastest. Office deboost. We have nothing in our cargo. And that is 200 jumps. That's the fastest. It was 150 when I came in, not 200. Hold on, let's think. Let's do that. Let's go here. Let's put that thing here. Another nebula as well. We need to repair. We don't want to risk it. Well, in terms of modules, how they are. So let's take a look at the ship. It's fine for the most part, but it seems that it needs some paint work. In terms of modules, you got everything almost in the 90s. So nothing, no major damage or anything. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, maybe I'm gonna do those 57 jumps, repair stuff and stuff like that, and then jump. And you have a better. But 57 also is not, it's not little. I'd rather go Diag Wandering right away. And I hope there's another way to map things. Okay, it's just Diag Wandering. Where is it? Obsidian? No, that's Bladis. Oh, Ray Gateway. Here we go. $200 jumps. My God, it's gonna be one hell of a distance. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, maybe I'm gonna just go right ahead over there. Be careful. At least we reached it, and hopefully we get enough credits or information. Because you know, if to get to Jameson Memorial, we need to have at least one of these ranks into elite, like Explorer, Trade, or Combat. So Explorer, that's why we did this long trip. Okay, let's see. We'll see. So just gonna stop this here. We'll see how it goes. All I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna stop this here. No more. So you don't want to watch all of this. Wow, 30 minutes. I'm just doing 5 jumps, and this game's a time sucker. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is shot right away to the Dying Wandering Station, sell this exploration data, and hopefully we get something out of it. I don't want to do another long trip like this to reach elite status. I don't know what is the ranks for this. Elite dangerous rank. Exploration. Explorer. Oh wow, we're not gonna reach that. We are in Ranger. There is Pioneer. And then Elite. And how do you reach Pioneer? Well, we did a lot, so we are in Ranger. Just two more. Well, like the next rank is Pioneer, the other one is Elite, but what are the points though in terms of exploration? Exploration points. I don't know. Explorer. 320 million points. So we already have 35. I don't think we need this exploration. We're gonna cut it. They say are surprisingly good candidate to containing Earth-likes. Okay, let's start from here. Valuable bodies. So the bodies are more valuable than the systems themselves. Equal attention to your destination system in the galaxy map if you're looking for valuable planetoids. The most ideal system are those with a star class of F, G, K. Oh, okay, so the star systems that have F, J, and K will have more value than any other star systems. What I haven't seen a lot in my 150 jumps. The most Sol-like system with a potential Earth-like other star system can contain Earth-like, but less likely to do so. Neutron star systems are surprisingly good candidate to contain Earth-like high-class star systems. So what do you mean by that? Black holes, neutron stars, however, do not claim a lot of credits. So a good amount of credit is Earth-like systems or Earth-like planets. And the stars are the FJK class stars. The other ones, the M, L, T, and Y, they don't give you a little bit. System with multiple stars unlikely contain terraformable or something. I know. So what about value? Quality of data. Some small value on 500 credits. So the Earth-like, how much? It doesn't say. I'm checking Elite Wiki from Fandom. Distance from sale or not? You can sell data at stations within 20 light years from the source. It has to be far. Okay. Here you go. They got a table. Oh, Waterworld will give you 268,000. Yeah, I've seen a lot like this. So if you have high metal, Waterworld, Earth-like, Ammonia World, these will give you a lot of credits. But if you did a lot exploration, meaning you go to each planet and discover each planet, do all these kind of stuff, then you will have more and more points. But I think We are good by distance. I think so. Okay, I think so. So if you've been watching the stream, thank you. It should be a short one. A short stream, because I wanted to see show you the Cat Paw Nebula. Anyway, thank you. Take care.